make money on GoTranscript, a transcription and translation platform, follow these steps. Sign up. Create an account on the GoTranscript website. Fill in your details and verify your email. Complete test. Take and pass the transcription test to demonstrate your proficiency in transcribing audio files accurately. This step is crucial to start receiving transcription tasks. Select jobs. Once approved, log into the platform and browse available transcription tasks. Choose assignments that fit your skills and preferences. Transcribe accurately. Listen to audio recordings and transcribe them into text format following the provided guidelines and style requirements. Submit work. Upload completed transcriptions within the given deadline. Ensure accuracy, proper formatting, and adherence to guidelines. Quality control. GoTranscript reviews submitted work for accuracy and adherence to guidelines. Consistent high-quality work can lead to better ratings and more tasks. Receive payment. GoTranscript pays per audio minute transcribed. Payments are typically made weekly through PayPal or Payoneer. Improve skills and efficiency. Continuously improve your transcription skills and efficiency to increase earnings. Accuracy, speed, and adherence to guidelines are vital for success.